Hello guys, today I will be talking about something that I think is very important because there are lots of people that ever since Bitcoin and basically the entire market, all stocks, forex, futures, whatever, you saw for example that the Japan stocks Nikkei just collapsed overnight, but just today, which is the 5th of August, this is the day where these stocks all the way they had a recovery, nearly 8% recovery. So Nikkei collapsed 10%. We'll be seeing the Nikkei chart very soon, but just so you guys know that all those people that are fear mongering and they're trying to tell you that everything is collapsing and you have to sell, especially the grifters, because guys, they have a reason. They have a reason to tell you that because they profit from your fear. They profit from people with paper hands. They profit from people that don't know how to psychologically manage such a loss in their stocks, in their investments. They want to basically, they want less competition, basically. That's what many grifters do. And the others, well, they are just fearmongers, right? They have no idea how stocks work. They have no idea about the cyclical nature of all stocks, including crypto, which is the focus of this video because as you're seeing, this is the Bitcoin chart. You can see that this is part of the prediction that I made for the month of July. Was a 100% prediction, as always, extremely accurate. If you guys saw all that series of videos, you know that it was indeed perfect. There was no single error. Everything was going good. Everything went good. And everything finished good. So that's what we had for this prediction for July. And in the first days and in the final days of July, like I was saying right here, for example, you have this red circle on the 30th of July, downtrend. And you can say that the downtrend actually started right here on the 30th of July, just like I said. And ever since then, the price just went down, 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 and took a very dangerous peak right here, where it nearly reached barely broke below 50k, just barely. We nearly broke that sum. And then afterwards, we saw a massive recovery all the way up to until today to 55k, something like that. So that's the cyclical nature, guys, of all stocks, including crypto. I mean, you have to wake me up when crypto reaches all the way back to 80,000, 8,000, or 10k, or 5,000. I mean, only then could I take someone seriously that says that everything is going to end and the entire crypto scene and the entire crypto market, the liquidity is gone, everything that all those fear mongers like to say. Only then can I entertain such an idea, such a scenario happening. But since we're having just cyclical recovery, cyclical downtrends, this is not the end of the world, guys. This is just getting better. We are very near a bull run. I don't have a prediction yet for when the bull run is going to begin, but I think it is basically inevitable. What we saw when we nearly touched 70k, something like that, 72k, that was the peak, and so far it's the all-time high. But we are nearing for something much greater. I mean, we're basically waiting for Bitcoin to touch 6 figures. So just be patient, guys. Don't fall for the traps of the fear mongers. Don't fall for any of that panic and doomsday stuff. Most, if not the entire of the reason of why the markets collapse was because there's a lot of tension, there's a lot of instability, there's a lot of basically troubles around the world. You have social troubles, for example, what's happening in Europe, specifically England, but soon to be could be, and I'm no prediction here, but could expand to mainland Europe and actually cross the Atlantic all the way back to Canada as well and the United States. I don't know. This is, like I said, this is not a prediction, this is geopolitics, but guys, we've been in an era of chaos, of high instability for quite a long. We saw what happened with Venezuela, we saw what happened with Ukraine. I mean, since the last 4 years, but especially in these last, 6 months, something like that, there's a lot of events that are just popping up everywhere and in quick succession. So that was the main reason why these stocks collapsed. And you guys know that my main theory, and I even made a video about that when you have these stocks crashing, crypto also crashes. Because many people think that for some reason crypto is actually is not affected by whatever happens with traditional stocks. That's just a wrong, very, very low IQ take. Stocks have everything to do with crypto and vice versa. And right now the hierarchy you have is that stocks actually dominate over crypto, including Bitcoin. Because no matter how big the combined crypto market, liquidity, whatever, is right now, in the current era, in the current year, it's still not nearly as big as the entire traditional stocks, right? It's not nearly as big as Nvidia, for example. It's not nearly as big as the combined 7 Magnificent. So you have to take into account that hierarchy, that stocks actually dictate the price of Bitcoin. If stocks go bad, if stocks go all the way down to the red, to the reddest of the red, you can also anticipate that crypto is going to do that. Now, the only curious, funny thing that happened right here is that this Bitcoin recovery, massive recovery, like nearly $5,000 in one single day, that happened on the day prior to today, which is the 4th of August. That was the day when the markets were they opened on the West, and there was a talk of a Black Monday. But when every other stock was crashing, Bitcoin recovered on that day. And this recovery has been solidified for this day. I will be making a prediction for Bitcoin for the next for this month of August. So expect that prediction to come somewhere around in this week. In the next few days, I will have this prediction ready. But just guys, I just wanted to give that quick message, to give that quick and very necessary insight, because many of you are falling for the trap of the grifters, of the doomsayers, of the fearmongers, that they just want you to crash. They don't want competition, and if they don't want, they could be just ignorant. I mean, they could be just ignorant of the real nature of stocks and crypto. Everything's bad, but then everything's good again. And that's basically the cycle of eternity in crypto, in trading, basically. So that's it, guys. Like I said, prediction in the next few days. Take care, like, share, subscribe. Especially I want you guys to share this, because it's a message that needs to be actually deployed to the masses, right? Because like I said, many people are just profiting from fearmonger and just absolute trash. I'm trying to bring the different and the right picture. So share this stuff, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Take care.